Knock it out.
Yeah, man, it's rough, man, it's rough, man. I ain't got no best conditions. I ain't got the best conditions, I shown on, but I hear you in there from time to time, no doubt about it. Little David, downtown, Slaveboy County, getting down.
Well, we got Little David in Arizona. From one end of Arizona to the other end of Arizona, we got nothing but Slaveboy County in Arizona. Bye.
Well, wait a minute. We better get Slaveboy out of here with Arizona. Lady Mermaid got my ear, man. Y'all want to do something with I get it, Lady Mermaid, get that ear.
Yeah, 10-4. Lady Mermaid got it right now, man. Hey, you said I get Slave Boy out of my ear, but I tell you what, he got a big mall down in my radio talking to Lady Mermaid. We'll bump it on you later, 817, working the Mobile in Arizona. Bye. Contact 50, yeah. Mother Nature moving around, so I just wait my turn, 50. Hey, 50 Sandpile. I'll just wait my turn out there, no doubt about it. We'll bump it on you later, 50 Sandpile, 817, back reading the mail. Bye.
817, 50, gotta stand by. I got these covered. 817, Mobile, pill pusher said them 6 pills is working. 817, Black Smoke. 817, Lady Mermaid, Mr. Black Smoke. Sandpile on the big transmitter, too, in the west coast of Florida, baby.
Right there, Black Smoke, Pill Pusher. I heard you too, Pill Pusher. Hey, Pill Pusher came in my radio too, loud and clear. They get Pill Pusher, they get Black Smoke. Hey, Black Smoke, that your Watergate be uploading. Bye.
Yeah, right on 817. I appreciate you letting the Watergate roll on that duck plugging in, cat nigga. They say it'll be uploaded, and I'm gonna go and listen to that cat nigga, no doubt. Take care, worldwide 817, Mobile, Mr. Black Smoke, Sandpile, got down and go.
Yeah, it should be uploaded to JD Watergates right now, man. I just sent it over to JD Watergate, so give it time, it's uploading. We'll bump it on you later, and I tagged your name on it, Black Smoke Sandpile. Bye.
Okay, 817, appreciate it, man. I want to hear how this duck other sign, no doubt about it. Put on you later. Worldwide, Black Smoke, Sandpile, got down and gone.
You're going to like what you hear, man, because I got another one rolling on you right now, man. You're going to like what you hear today when I go home. Take care of that Black Smoke. I'm reading the mail. How about a Pill Pusher? How about a Pill Pusher out there in the backwoods? They break.
How about 817, 226 in Detroit, break.
Hey, how about a 226? I'm right back. Hello, 226 Detroit, 817 Mobile. Try to put it right back there. Come on. Okay, 226, we'll catch you later, man. Let me get out of my Pill Pusher's ears out there, no doubt about it. We'll bump it on you later out there. 226 Detroit, have a good day. 0817 Mobile, back listening. Bye.
Mermaid, Black Smoke, the number 13 man on the power,
Contact, bye 226, I'll be on the side. Bye, Pill Pusher, I'll get out of your ear. Bye.
Pickup truck getting down. Man, talk on your radio. You ain't got to get out of my ears because I said that. Hey, you got conditions using. Ain't bothering me.
10-4, cause you loud and proud, man. I like how you sound out there, Pill Pusher. You got them all down. Bye.
Appreciate the flowers. You already know how you sound. You smoking.
10-4. I'll see ya. Bye.